Small claims. Filing a small claims case. If you are ready to file your small claims case, complete the plaintiff's claim in order to go to Small Claims Court, Form SC-100. The SC-100 form can be found on the court's website, at the court's self-help centers, or at the Small Claims Advisory, www.ocsmallclaims.com. Form SC-100 can be found on the court's website. You can get started by using the Small Claims Online Interview Guide and file, or complete the forms yourself. Let's get started on how to complete Form SC-100. The court will complete page 1 when you file your paperwork. The clerk will assign a case number and trial date. Go on to page 2. Page 2, Section 1. Naming the plaintiff. The plaintiff is the party that is suing. If you are suing as an individual, fill out your name, address, and phone number. If there are more than 2 plaintiffs, complete the attachment form SC-100A. If you are doing business under a fictitious name, complete Form SC-103. You will need your fictitious business name information. Page 2, Section 2. Naming the defendant. The defendant is the party being sued. Complete the name and address of the defendant. If the defendant is an individual, complete their full name. For example, write John A. Smith. If you are suing a business, you may need to do a little research. Naming a business depends on the way the business is structured. If the business is owned by an individual, name both the owner and the business. For example, John A. Smith individually and DBA Smith Carpeting. Doing business as. If the business is owned by a partnership, write the names of both the individual partners and the partnership. List each partner on a separate line. For example, John A. Smith individually and DBA Smith Dry Cleaning. Jane A. Smith individually and DBA Smith Dry Cleaning. If the business is a corporation or LLC, write the exact name of the business as it appears with the California Secretary of State. Be sure to indicate the business type. You generally do not need to name an individual. For example, Smith Dry Cleaning Inc., a corporation. If the company does business under a fictitious name, both should be listed. Middle East Petrol Inc., a corporation individually, and DBA Fast Gas. Search on the California Secretary of State's website to find a corporation or LLC. For information on who owns a business, go to the Orange County Clerk Recorder Fictitious Business Name Index. Search the fictitious business name statements. Search the name of a business to find the owner. The owner may be an individual or another business. You can also check with the Business License Department at the City Hall where the business is located to get a copy of the business license. The business license should tell you how the business is structured and who owns it. Page 2, Section 3. How much the defendant owes. Total up how much the defendant owes and write it on the line in Section 3. The judge can award you less than what you asked for, but not more, so include everything you think you are owed. In Section A, explain why the defendant owes you money. If you need more room, you can attach a sheet of paper or use Form MC-031. In Section B, write the date when the events happened or a date range if needed. In Section C, explain how you calculated the money owed to you. If you need more room, include an attachment on a separate sheet of paper or use Form MC-031. Include everything you think you are owed. The judge can award you less than what you asked for, but not more. If you forget something, the judge cannot add it on for you. Do not include your filing fees or service fees. If you win, these fees should be automatically added on. What you can ask for includes damages, transportation costs, projected costs, time spent on the case, projected costs, wages lost, projected costs, punitive damages, emotional distress, etc. This is not a complete list. Page 3, Section 4. Before you file your small claims case, you must ask the other party to pay you. You can do so over the phone, in person, or in writing. You may consider sending a demand letter. For more information and a sample demand letter, see Module 1, Small Claims Before Filing. Once you have asked the other party to pay you, check off the Yes box. Page 3, Sections 5 and 6. You will need to determine where to file your small claims case. Generally, where you file will be based on where the defendant is located or where the events happened. Read the options and determine which applies to you. Check off either box A, B, C, or D. In Section 6, list the zip code of the city you based your selection on. If you are not sure where to file your small claims case, consult the Small Claims Advisory. There are courthouses in Orange County that hear small claims cases. Refer to the chart to determine where to file your case. Page 3, Sections 7 through 10. Read through Sections 7 through 10 and check off yes or no depending on your situation. For Section 7, if your case is regarding an attorney-client fee dispute, contact the Orange County Bar Association for more information on arbitration. For Section 8, if you are suing a public entity, you must first file a claim with that entity before you can file a small claims case. Contact the public entity directly for more information on how to file a claim. For Section 9, if you have filed more than 12 small claims cases in the last 12 months, your filing fee will be $100 regardless of how much you are suing for. For Section 10, indicate whether your case is for more than $2,500. You cannot file more than 2 small claims cases over $2,500 within a calendar year in California. Section 11 states that as the plaintiff in a small claims case, you will have no right to file an appeal. If you lose, your case is over. Write the date, print your name, and sign the form. If your case is about an attorney-client fee dispute, contact the Orange County Bar Association for more information and resources such as fee arbitration. Go to www.ocbar.org or contact OCBA Public Services Department at 949-440-6700, extension 153. If you are the defendant in a small claims case and want to sue the plaintiff, complete the defendant's claim and order to go to small claims court, Form SC-120. The process to complete Form SC-120 is generally the same as Form SC-100. The plaintiff is the party who sued first. The defendant is the party who was being sued first and now wants to sue the plaintiff. The case number is located on the plaintiff's claim. When you have completed Form SC-120, file it at the courthouse where the plaintiff originally filed the case. To file your small claims case, you can file in person with the small claims clerk. The court is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. File by mail. Include your original documents plus 1 copy, a check for the filing fee made out to the clerk of the court, and a self-addressed stamped envelope so the court can return your filed forms to you. You can also e-file your claim. E-filing is done through third-party providers. Go to the court's website for more information. Your filing fees depend on the amount you are suing for. If you are suing for under $1,500, the fee is $30. If you are suing over $1,500 up to $5,000, the fee is $50. If you are suing over $5,000 up to $10,000, the fee is $75. If you have filed more than 12 small claims cases in the last 12 months, the fee is $100. Fee waivers are available for those who qualify. To file a fee waiver, complete forms FW001 and FW003. Complete and file the fee waiver with your form SC120. If you qualify, your filing fees will be waived. In Form FW003, complete Section 1. For more information, contact the Orange County Small Claims Advisory. Go to the next section to learn more.